Welcome to paradise! My plan is going all the way past that point up there. It should be fun. Let's go! Okay. First cast, baby. It's my first time fishing in the Pacific Ocean. I'm so excited about it. I can't wait to catch some fish in here. It looks so good. It looks really good. Look at this. God damn. Okay, some fish under here were going crazy. Let's try again, wait. Oh, I got. Let's go. First fish in the sea. Well, ocean actually. Let's go. Yeah, bro. It's a small trevally. Let's get it. I'm gonna quickly put him out of his misery. Yeah, small trevally. Oh yeah. Let's go. Let's get another one. Okay, without slipping, but I could just go here. Fucking hell! Yeah, let's get it. This is the spot. Hell yeah. Oh, yes, huge one, yes. Come to Papa. Oh, it's not huge, but he's fighting like crazy. Bigger than the last one. Let's go. Yeah, listen to him. Yeah, that's the son of a trevally. Let's go! Beautiful looking fish too. And I know they taste good. I know they taste hella good. Let's quickly put him out of his misery. I'm sorry, bro, but thank you for feeding me. I'm gonna put him in the bag. Beautiful looking fish. Oh yeah, we got two trevally. Let's go! I'm super happy. Damn, first time fishing in the ocean. Crazy good. Woo! Oh, another one! God damn it! Oh! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, don't lose it, don't lose it, don't lose it. No, don't lose it. Oh! He's bigger than both of them. Yeah! Ho, ho. Let's go! Ho, ho. Wait, bro, chill, chill, chill. Yeah, I got it, I got it. Chill, bro, chill. Okay, you are free, but not totally, my friend. I'm sorry. Beautiful looking fish. Small trevally. Yes. I think unless I catch a monster, I'ma release all the other fish I'm gonna catch. Yeah, I'm fine with this. Let's go! There is a fucking crow that wants to steal my fish. It's been circling around. As soon as I leave to fish, it starts to fly here above. Fuck off, you ain't getting my fish. Oh yeah. Looks a beautiful spot to cook the fish. Got the sea right here, giant rocks shielding me from the wind. Yeah, this is the spot. I got some shade. I'ma chill here. I'ma start collecting some firewood. Yeah, I'll get back to you. Woo! Luckily, there is a ton of firewood here. Yeah. Perfect. My cooking stick. Okay, I divided the firewood. I'm gonna start with this. I'm gonna build my way up to the big boys right there, with which I'm gonna cook. Yeah, I'm gonna start with these little dudes. Bullet end of me. Yes. Yeah, we got fire! Okay, while this burns, I'ma start preparing my dinner. Oh. I'ma split this in two, and I'ma put the fish in the middle. Just like that. Just like that. I'm gonna put the fishes in the middle. And yep. I might need something to close it, but that won't be a problem. Let's feed the fire first. Yeah. I'm not even gonna bother looking for something to stick this in. I'ma simply close it and put it in here, which doesn't fit, but somewhere else it could fit. Yeah, you see? Yeah, that's fine. I'ma need to make it a little longer maybe. I'ma take the fish. I'ma simply stick it in here. Just like that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, this will fit too only. But whatever. Oh no, it will fit three maybe. Just like that, dinner is served. I'm gonna put them on the fire. Oh. Just not directly on it. Oh. Yeah. And they are done. Oh yeah. I'ma simply start eating them just with my bare hands. Excuse my manners. But yeah, I'm hungry as hell, honestly. Let's go. Oh, oh yeah, oh yeah. A bit hot, but yeah. Look at that! That's sick. Oh my god. Oh my god. It peels off so easily. And it tastes amazingly. Oh my god, that's awesome. That's awesome. That's what remains of the fish. Second guy. Hey bro. Thank you for the awesome meal, honestly. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Second guy done. To the seagulls. And the fish, and the crabs, and everything else. Third one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's even better than the first two. No, I'm joking. Oh yeah. Yeah, trevally is actually one of the best tasting fish. People were right. I've always heard, yeah, trevally is so good, tastes so good. They were right. They were so right. Whoa. Amazing. I need to go wash my hands, definitely. Wash my hands. Time for some water. That was probably top 3 meal I have ever had. Yeah. Top 2 actually, whatever. It was amazing. Wow. Anyway guys, the fire died out. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.